Hi everyone, so this is a before and after vibe effect, which is a modern transition to show, for instance, different types of color grading or simply just to spice up your B-roll or music clip. Although it looks great, it is so simple to create. My name is Andrei and I do video editing tutorials in DaVinci Resolve. Now let's have a look how it's done. So we are in the edit page of DaVinci Resolve 17. Firstly, let's find a clip and place it to our timeline, which I have already done. Secondly, select the position where you wish to apply this effect and make a cut at your preferred location. I use a shortcut to make a cut, which is Ctrl and B on your keyboard, and as I wish to apply more effects, I will make more cuts. When you are making a cut, make sure that the clip is selected where you are making this cut. We have now 4 clips roughly of the same duration. Now we can go to the color page and we are going to change the color grading of the clip 2 and 3. We'll keep the clip 1 and 4 intact because we want to make this transition effect. I will use only random colors just to speed up this tutorial. On the clip 3, I will just reduce the saturation. On the clip 2, I will just decrease or change the green color, just to make it slightly different. Color grading can be done as you prefer, so it is about your personal preferences. Now let's go to the edit page. Go to the effect library. Go to the toolbox. Then click on the video transitions. Find the vibe section. And then select the edge vibe and drag it to the first cut. Like this. Place the playhead in the middle of the cut, in the middle of the vibe transition to see already this effect. As you can see, this effect is displayed horizontally, but we want to make it vertically. To fix this, click on the vibe transition and once it's selected, you can see the color changes from white to red. Go to the inspector so you can change the parameters of the edge vibe transition effect. If you haven't subscribed yet, you should consider doing so for more DaVinci Resolve video editing tutorials ranging from basic to the advanced level. While we are in the inspector, we can change the angle to 90 degrees. So the effect is displayed vertically, as you can see. You can adjust the duration of the effect in this section. You can also adjust it in the timeline when you click on the effect and move it to the left or to the right to increase or decrease the duration of this effect. Also, there is an option to change the alignment of this effect either to the left or to the right or keep it in the middle, like you can see, and this is how we'll keep it for now. You can also apply the border here. I usually keep it between 1 and 3, so the change nicely highlights the effect. You can also change the border color to anything you like, but I will keep it white because it looks much better in my view. Now we are done with this effect and we can also copy it to other locations, like this, with the same settings. The way I copy and paste this effect is when you highlight this effect, press the Alt key on your keyboard and drag it to your location. And that will apply exactly the same effect to the other location with all the settings you applied before. And now you can see the final result. You can also do it when you place the clip on top of each other. This is in case you wish to keep the first clip with original settings and then you will place the vibe effect to the right and you can see the alignments here. So you will keep it to the right of the clip and apply it to the other clip and you will achieve exactly the same outcome. As you could see, this was an incredibly easy effect to create, and yet it looks amazing. That's all for now. Thank you and see you soon.